Welcome back to another video. This is Cowboy Sound, and by the way, this dude is voiced by me. Not actually in the show, but he's like a goofy version of Cowboy from PJ Maxx. He's more goofy though, but yeah, he's just different and powerful. So yeah, he's corrupted by the corruption. So yeah, here's the sound test too, by the way, since it's Christmas. He said goofy. Yeah. He said Ilka.
I'm going crazy, Sheriff Cowboy here.
Sheriff Cowboy here. Sheriff Cowboy here. Sheriff Cowboy here. I'm going crazy, man. Ilka. Goofily. Wait, it's lagging, and then guess what, guys? Fishy got corrupted. And then, basically, he has a lot of forms. Especially if he's corrupted. So yeah, this is the goofy one. 999. For, his corrupted form. But, yeah. Yeah, so, this right here is the corruption. Controlling him. Yeah. And, if you like the laugh is by me. And the animation is by me. And, in the other video where it was Cowboy vs. Lovely, the Valentine monkey, animation is by me. And icons is by me. Anyway, the other one where it's McDonald's, tells the animation is by me, and Cowboy animation is by me. I mean, I am an animator.
Oh, Molly, I feel like I'm glitching.
This confused me.
Oh, Molly, I feel like I'm glitching.
Hold up.
Help Molly.
I can do that too. Help me, I think I'm glitching. I'm going crazy, man. Sheriff Cowboy here. Goofily. Ilka. Help Molly. I think I'm glitching. Guys, I sound like him, but plus I'm the voice actor for him. Yeah, so yeah, that's the test.
Sheriff Cowboy here.
And here's for more glitchy. Hold up, because I want to get a perfect timing.